Best LED magnetic USB cable. TOPK Line 1 LED magnetic USB cable. This product have more features. Product name: first generation round magnetic cable. Type: 8 pin /micro /USB-C port. Length: 1 meter 3.28 feet. Output: 5 volts /2.4 A max. Magnetic design. Features: magnetic. Built-in blue LED indicator illuminates when the cable is active. Metal port plus fishing net weaving. Makes product durable and resists kink and tangles. The plug is separated from the cable. Plug can stay on the phone, only 1 second connected to charge. Function: device charging model or line 1. The magnet connector could be a dust-proof plug and prolong the life of your device. It can reduce the damage of your USB port by preventing frequent plugging and pulling. This cable is only for charging, not for fast charging and data transmission. For iPhone cable do not support iPad Pro. Please keep clean. If can't charge, please use a dry cotton swabs. Name: TOPK LED indicator magnetic USB cable. Check the description below for the link and more items.